Honorable Chief Guest. Good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Kumar Niketan and I wish you a very happy Independence Day. As we know, we are gathered here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our country. Independence Day is the day when we got freedom from the British rule in 1947 after the many years of hard struggle by our British freedom fighters. Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day every year on the 15th of August. Remember all the sacrifices of our British freedom fighter and well as remember first day of independence of our country. How can we ignore all the struggles of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Rai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, etc. Gandhiji was a great Indian leader who taught India the biggest lesson of non-violence. Since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the field of education, science, technology, sports, and many more. But India is also facing some problems like terrorism, poverty, inequality, corruption, etc. Let us all play to do our best and overcome these problems. Let us all work together to make our country the best country of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.